Hi, my name is Sam Kanen, and I just wanted to send out some love today for anyone who needs it. You may have experienced a loss recently. You may be experiencing grief or sadness, maybe depression. Maybe your heart just feels tender. And maybe it will feel good to just warm it up with some love. So with that, let's begin a meditation. I invite you to close your eyes. Find a place of stillness. Take a deep breath in and a deep breath out. A deep breath in and a deep breath out. And one more deep breath in and a deep breath out. Letting go of whatever has been happening today. Noticing the energy in your chest from taking the deep breaths. Paying attention to any pain you feel in your body. Saying to it, I see you, pain. I see you. It's okay that you're here. It's okay that you're here. Noticing whatever comes up for you when you say it's okay that you're here. Maybe putting a hand on your heart. Continue to notice your breath going in and out. I notice it going in and out through my nostrils. And if thoughts arise, you can just say, hello thoughts, I notice you. And if you want to, you can come back to your breath. Sending love to yourself. Because it's only in loving ourselves that we can have the energy to love others completely. Noticing whatever comes up for you. Whatever is going on with your body. Are there any pleasant sensations in your body? Or if not pleasant, neutral? Maybe in a place like the inner joint of your arm, the back of your ear, places for you that usually don't have soreness or tension. Just be aware of them. Noticing how there are tight places, painful places, neutral places, and possibly some pleasant places. I know it feels pleasant for me to breathe. Feeling the air in my breath, massage my lungs and my nostrils. I recognize also that maybe everyone isn't breathing so easily today. Sending love to those of you out there who, for that's true. Find a different place. Maybe the feet touching the ground, feeling the earth, or your bottom touching your chair. Feeling that fixed point that's not moving. For me, that's also pleasant. Or maybe just neutral. But maybe it helps your mind to spin a little less about what you're worried about or concerned about. I just noticed a moment of relaxation coming over me. I hope it comes to you too. May you feel some healing energy in your body. May you feel some deep healing energy in your body to heal the pain, to heal the suffering. May all beings be happy. May all beings be healthy. May all beings be safe. May all beings be at peace. Namaste. Sending love to you today.